What's up, Minitruck? Let's see how they look. They feel good. Trying out my new video glasses. What do you think? I should paint those. Yeah, I think I'm going to paint those. These camera glasses have an adjustable lens that you can flip up and down. Default flat setting, it's actually pretty good. Most of the other cameras are made for bicyclists, so they're always up in the air, so you never end up getting the right view. You have to put the back of the camera thing over your ears up high, and a simple little bracket. Got a little surface rust in there, huh? I should probably take care of that too. Not right now though. Wow. Like a glove. Wow, you talk about a perfect fit. Holy mackerel. Before I put it in, I'll give it a little test-a-roo. Something wrong. It has a positive common system, so no matter what you do, you'll never get an LED light to work without some type of conversion. That's different.
Relax. Alright? My old man is a television repairman. Got this ultimate set of tools. I can fix it.
That's very different. Well, I already got this tore apart. I don't know how much videos on them other pair of glasses I have, but the way they wire it, it will work for incandescent, but it will not work for LEDs because LEDs has polarity. Normally, plug on the right is ground. On these Japanese trucks, now I don't know about all of them, but these Hijets, this is powered, and then they ground to each socket. So it's totally backwards. It will not work with LED bulb. I looked online. There's nothing really. So you think they make a harness? Maybe they do make a harness. I didn't see it. So what I'm doing is I have 2 relays, and I'm going to make my own conversion, which is simple enough because these relays are the ones you can get for cars. I'll give all the information. I've tried wiring it every way. You can get it so the lights will come on high and low if I ground the ground from the LED light, but then you shut off the headlights and the headlights stay on. There's absolutely no way to directly wire. It's either rewire from what's coming inside the car, which is probably on the high-low on a column, which that would probably be a mess just thinking about it. You'd have to actually feed the power through when they're going to ground. You'd have to reverse everything. I don't know what. It's easier just to do it this way, in my opinion. That's going to be the high beam relay. That's going to be the low beam relay. Have to use 2 relays unless you have a double pole, double throw. These are single pole, double throws. And I'm going to do just one, and then I'm going to run the wires over to the other headlight and run both headlights off of this because that's all they do with the wiring harness. It's not like you have to have 2 separate sets of relays. This will handle both of those easily. What do you think of that?
Can't fix this car, Macaulay.
I went to school for electronics, don't worry.
I can fix it.
Let's see if it works.
You ready? See? All done.
Yeah, backwards though. All I have to do is reverse these two. Now, everything should work. The things you gotta do, high and low should work properly. Let's see. That's low, that's high. Yep. Little difference in light, huh? Whoa, Mini, this is gonna be good. Yep. Let the soldering begin. Mini wants her LEDs, Mini's gonna get her LEDs. Alright, this is the power. I don't know what's high and what's low, but we'll find out. Yeah. And then... okay. Let's see if she works. Oh, it's perfect. There's high, there's low. It actually works. So I put my relay right there, because that's the vent, and you can actually get it from the inside if you have to. And I tie wrapped it to this, so that's pretty solid. There's quite a bit of room behind these lights, more than I thought, because I got to tap into these. Take this other side off before I turn it on, because I don't know if that wire, that lead is going to be shorted or not. I just pushed it across. There's a pretty good hollow in there. I think it's supposed to pop off.
What'd you do?
Oh. I think if I was going to do it all over again, I'd put the relay on this side because it's closer to where all the wiring has to go. It doesn't matter, it's just a longer wire and then coming back. But this harness probably breaks off here and goes to the other side. Just saying. And this socket just sits in there. It does nothing. Then we'll figure out. Blinkers and running lights are right there. Or parking lights or whatever you want to call them. Get these springs lined up and give it a... You look pretty. That's low. That's high. This must be the running lights. Oh yeah. It looks like the green with the yellow is the blinker, and the green with the little silver dots is the running lights. They both have little silver dots. Minitruck's gonna have all nice LED headlights, projector style. I wanted to paint these. We'll do it another time. Make sure that works. Ooh. So the green with the silver is a running light, and then the green with the looks like black stripe must be the blinker. Yeah. We'll see how good this battery is when I go to start it again, huh? Do it once and do it right the first time. And the good thing is, if something fails, I use them big ones. The other people on the road aren't going to like it much, but you got to do what you got to do. Isn't that right, Minitruck? This has different clips. Weird. I'll put this together and that'll guarantee that I did something wrong. Well, that works. That works. And that works. Choke's working again. Damn. Shit, that's an easy one. Connect that wire and power it when the key comes on. Then I can have Posi anytime I want. Oh, looky, here's a wire right there. Just in case I need to reconnect it, which I don't foresee happening, but you never know. And this is a red wire that goes to my tack, so I know that's power when the key comes on, because I wired it. Well, now the diff lock will work at any time. So I just wanted to say my choke is working, and thanks to many of the comments that people put about the choke mechanism sticking, I revisited this choke situation.
Just give it a shot, WD-30, that'll fix it right up.
I just did a lot of 3-in-1 oiling.
What do you use, 5-in-1 oil?
And it seems pretty free now. I don't know if you remember my other video. See, it's starting to close already because this plunger's coming up. I mean, it's an old truck, it's a classic, and that's what I like about her. So yeah, I was playing with horns today. Oh, this is gonna be loud. What's this one sound like? Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want notifications on new videos. I have links for all of the products I use in the description and on motorcheese.com. Thanks for watching.